Intermittent fasting is not for everybody, but everybody can do it and already has done it. I've been doing intermittent fasting for 1.5 years now, and here are my 5 beliefs and how those factors change how I've been doing intermittent fasting. I just want to touch on the things that are my beliefs and how those factors change how I do intermittent fasting. So I don't believe in the Bulletproof Coffee, just coffee and tea and water. That's it. I don't believe in extremely strict eating windows. I believe in flexible windows. If I'm like a minute late, no sweat. If I'm like an hour late, no sweat. If I'm too early, it's not that big of a deal. I don't believe in awkward meals. I believe that I can eat with anybody. I believe I can move my window and have enough self-discipline to maybe make my next fasted window a little bit longer. So then over the week, it's the exact same as the week before. I don't believe in shaming people who don't do intermittent fasting because it's attacking them and it's just my insecurities coming out. I don't believe I'm stuck to any one way of intermittent fasting. There's so many different ways, and I try to use all of them.